Hey, what's going on, fam? Kurt with Caribeque. Today we're going to be grilling lamb chops over on our Kamado cooker using royal oak charcoal. Come with me. Let's go. Here are 3 simple ingredients for these grilled lamb chops. We're going to be using olive oil as an adhesive, and then we're going to be using Island Thyme because it has a really great blend of rosemary, sage, and thyme, plus some other great ingredients that'll bring out the flavor of this lamb. So let's go ahead and get both sides generously. Always remember, season the fat. You don't want to forget that. And we're gonna go ahead and get our Kamado cooker lit up so we can do a direct grill on this. Stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and light our Kamado cooker. We have royal oak charcoal inside the box, and we're gonna use these royal oak tumbleweeds to start the fire. Let's go on to the next one. Go ahead and get these tumbleweeds lit so we can get our grill nice and hot for a nice direct sear on this lamb. So we have our grill up to about 400 degrees. Gonna go ahead and pop these open, and we're gonna take these lamb chops and do them at about 2 to 3 minutes per side because I do want them rare. We'll do about 2 minutes this side, turn it 45 degrees, do another minute, then flip it over. Beautiful crust on the outside. We're gonna let it go about another minute or 2 on this side. Go ahead and temp these out. Yeah, we're coming up on perfect right now. Got 120. And I have 125. Let's go ahead and take these lamb chops off and let them rest. And there you have it, Island Thyme lamb chops. We let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. Nice medium rare, incredible flavor with the rosemary, sage, and thyme that's built into the Island Thyme. Like or comment below, let us know what you think. Kurt with Caribeque, out.